There's a stretch of coastal land that I keep returning to, and I'm trying to pinpoint exactly why. Stretching between jagged cliffs and pristine beaches, the garden route unfolds like a living tapestry, where the deep green of ancient trees collides with the turquoise of the sea, and every bend in the road promises something unforgettable. This time I'm coming back, but I'm leaving all my camera gear behind, just taking my friends and a couple of phones. This has become my favorite way to experience places. It allows me to be more present with what's happening right in front of me, because that's where the magic happens, in the present moment. The rush I get every time I submerge in these frigid waters is hard to put into words. An entire world of its own lies beneath its surface. It's where the freezing ocean meets biodiverse land. Thousands of plant species have learned to make space for each other here, growing in harmony through the turn of seasons. These vast, endless spans of terrain stretch across the horizon, where rolling hills gracefully merge into sandy riverbeds. The rock textures here tell stories of their own. This is a coastline sculpted by the roaring power of waves that have shaped these cliffs over centuries. To truly understand the scale of this place, it needs to be seen from up above. The entire coastline stitched together in one breathtaking view. Moving deeper into these ancient lands, the giants before our time still roam, moving quietly through the bush just as they always have. The rivers here are the pulsing veins of the garden route, the perfect place for disconnection and adventure. This trip has been a great reminder for me that the best camera is the one that lets you live in the moment. Trading all my usual gear for just a couple phones wasn't a compromise, it was a liberation. It stripped away the technical barriers and allowed me to be fully present with my friends and the raw beauty of this place. The garden route isn't just a destination on a map, it's a feeling. A sense of raw, untamed wonder that stays with you long after the journey ends.